Welcome to the Tech Tree. This is the goal. This is our Pandas data frame. We're going to explain each step of what you need to do in Pandas to display your first data frame. The first step is to import Pandas as PD. What does that mean? The first part of the import statement is to pull Pandas into Python. To save us typing Pandas every time, which could get a little tedious, as PD simply means from now on, Pandas' new nickname is PD. Next, we're going to use what's called a function in Python. And this is a read function, and its job is to pull our CSV file into Pandas. Now, what goes in the brackets depends on whether our CSV file and our Python file exist in the same folder, or our Python file and CSV file are stored in different locations on our computer. If our Python file and our CSV file are in the same folder, we simply have to copy the name of the CSV file, including the .csv, into the brackets. And remember to put quotation marks on either side. Now we can't just press run here and see our data frame. There's one more step that we need to do. We need to tell Pandas to display the data frame. To do that, just type df, which stands for data frame. And as you can see, our data frame is there. Now let's look at the other scenario where our Python file is in one folder and our CSV file is sitting somewhere else on a computer. Now on a Mac, we go to Finder and we can locate our file. Now we've just put it in a folder called another folder. As you can see at the bottom here, there's a path to our file. If you don't have this, just go up to View and go down here. This will say Show Path Bar if this is the first time you've selected it. And you'll see the link down at the bottom. Click the file, right click, and you're going to copy the path. Reopen Jupyter Notebook file and paste the path into the brackets. And remember to put the quotation marks on either side, and we can select df and we've got a data frame. If you're on a Windows computer, all you need to do is locate your file and press Ctrl L. At the top here, we can copy the link, and I'll show you that we can paste that in. Thanks for joining us on the Tech Tree. If you liked it, hit a sub for more, and we'll see you around.